Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to Maths class of Standard 9. Today we are going to study chapter number 9 and the name of chapter is Areas of Parallelogram and Triangle. Included topics are mentioned over here in the notes, and also please keep in mind theorems. All the three theorems 9.1, 9.2 and 9.3 are included, and no exercise are included from this chapter. Only these theory parts are included. So first, parallelogram. What is parallelogram? So parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. The opposite sides of parallelogram are equal in length and opposite angles are equal in measures. The area of parallelogram is given by the formula area of parallelogram equals to base into height. A triangle in a plane figure with three straight sides and three angles. The sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree, we all know. And the exterior angle of triangle is always equal to 360 degree. In a triangle, the sum of the angle is always greater than the length of the third side. The area of the triangle is given by the formula half into base into height. Parallelograms on the common base and between the same parallels. Two parallelograms are said to be on the common base and between the same parallels if they have common side and the sides parallel to common side all lie in a straight line. Okay. So you can see here AB is the common base for the parallelogram ABCD as well as for parallelogram ABEF. You can see that AB is common. First theorem, parallelograms that lie on the common base and between the same parallels are said to have equal in area. For means same base, both the triangle, both the parallelogram ABCD and ABEF have common base. Okay, both the parallelogram have common base. So the area of both the parallelograms are equal to each other. Triangles on the common base and between the same parallels. Okay, you can see there are triangles of the with the common base. If you take triangle ABC or you take triangle ABD, they both are triangles and both have the common base. Which is the common base that both the triangles have? That is side AB. They have the common side and the vertices opposite to common side lie on the straight line parallel to the common side. Means the vertices which are opposite to the common side, they also lie parallel to each other. So in theorem 9.2, what we are studying, theorem students, you have to remember with the figure, two triangles that lie on the same or on the common base also between the same parallels are said to have equal in area. Means the two triangle. For example, here two triangle ABC and ABD have common base, so both the triangles are equal to each other. Means areas of both the triangles are equal to each other because they have the common base. Two triangles having common base and equal area. Two triangles have equal bases. Okay. For example, here we are taking triangle BCD, okay, and triangle DBC. Both the triangles have common base, okay, so both have equal areas. A parallelogram and a triangle between the same parallels. A triangle and a parallelogram are said to be on the same base and between the same parallels if they have the common side. The vertices opposite to common side lie on a straight line and parallel to the common side. According to that, we are going to study third theorem, that is two triangles have the same base and equal areas lie between the same parallel, exactly opposite to the second theorem. Means these are the two triangles. For example, triangle ABC, okay, and they have the same base, and they means two triangles have the same base and have equal areas lie between the same parallels. Okay, so triangle ABC is equal to triangle half of parallelogram ABDE. You can see over here ABD is a parallelogram. So here we are going to end our chapter. In this chapter we have studied 3 theorems, and on the basis of that we have studied their theory. So that is the most important thing that you have to study in this chapter. And we have studied about the same base and between the same parallels, parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallels, about the triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. And on the basis of that we have studied 3 theorems, that are theorem 9.1, 9.2 and 9.3, which you have to keep in mind, means which you have to study by heart along with all the figures. Okay, and no exercises are included in this chapter, so it's a good thing for you. Okay, thank you for listening the class. Thank you.